Nodens stands out in Celtic mythology as a multifaceted deity associated with healing, prophecy, and the transition between life and death. His rich symbolism reflects the complexities of existence, the importance of wellness, and the mysteries of the afterlife. Recognized for his divine capabilities, Nodens serves as both a healer and a guide, embodying the interconnectedness of physical and spiritual realms. At the heart of Nodens' identity lies his association with healing, particularly in relation to ailments affecting the eyes, hands, and feet. This emphasis on physical healing reflects a broader understanding in Celtic culture of the holistic nature of wellness, where the body, mind, and spirit are intertwined. Worshippers sought Nodens for cures and relief from suffering, illustrating the value placed on health and the pursuit of well-being. The focus on such specific body parts suggests a deep knowledge of human frailty and a belief in the divine's capacity to restore vitality and wholeness. Nodens also fulfills the role of a psychopomp, acting as a guide for souls transitioning to the other world. In this capacity, he bridges the gap between life and death, facilitating the passage of spirits to their next destination. His role as a guide emphasizes the Celtic view of the afterlife as a journey rather than an end, where deities like Nodens help ensure safe passage and guardianship over the souls. This function underscores the importance of honor and respect for the deceased within Celtic belief systems, where proper guidance into the other world was crucial for ensuring peace in both realms. Furthermore, Nodens was worshipped at oracular shrines, where seekers came to receive prophetic visions and insights into their futures. This aspect of his nature highlights the integration of prophecy into daily life and decision-making for the Celts, with Nodens serving as a source of wisdom and foresight. Individuals would seek his counsel through ritual practices, reflecting the belief in divine guidance and the impact of fate on human circumstances. His oracular significance illustrates the desire for connection between the mortal realm and the spiritual guidance offered by the gods. Nodens is often depicted alongside dogs, a powerful symbol that intertwines themes of guardianship, loyalty, and healing. In many cultures, dogs are associated with the protection of the home and the guidance of souls, making them fitting companions for a deity who oversees both the living and the dead. This connection emphasizes his dual role as a protector of the realms and a healer, reflecting the companionship found in human-canine relationships. The presence of dogs in Nodens' iconography symbolizes the fidelity of his guardianship and the comfort he offers to those in need of healing. In summary, Nodens embodies the intricate web of healing, prophecy, and guidance that defines the Celtic understanding of existence. As a deity who navigates the boundaries between the physical world and the other world, he serves as a reminder of the importance of health, the inevitable journey of the soul, and the need for divine wisdom in life's decisions. Through his rich symbolism and multifaceted roles, Nodens offers a profound connection to the beliefs and practices that enriched the spiritual landscape of the ancient Celts.